here's how to pair your Beats Studio Pro. This will work no matter if you just got the headphones or even if you had them before, if they're new, if they're used, it doesn't matter. This video will work for all of you. Now, the first thing we want to do is open the Bluetooth mode in our cell phone. So if you have an iPhone, just head over to the command center right here, open the Bluetooth area right here, press on it, and then head over to Bluetooth settings, and that is going to show you all the devices available. Now, on the headphones themselves, we want to go ahead and turn them on and put them on pairing mode. So if you got these headphones already used, maybe you bought them pre-owned, you might want to factory reset them, which is done by holding down this button until you see a red light in here. Then you let it blink 3 times and that'll factory reset the headphones. But if you just got these headphones, or if you already had them before and you want to pair them to a new device, then just follow this process. Just go ahead and hold the power button until the headphones turn on. As you can see, the lights just turn on right now. Now, once you turn on the headphones, as you can see, the headphones are on. If I press the power button, it shows me the battery that it has. If they were to be new, they probably will get picked up automatically by the phone. Now, mine is not picking it up because mine is already used. But if your headphones are new, they might get picked up by the phone, as you can see in there, and you will go through the connect process. But since I have already used my headphones and I have connected them in the past, then we're going to have to put the phone in pairing mode. So for that, once the headphones are on, you want to go ahead and hold the power button a couple seconds until the white lights start flashing. So just go ahead and hold it. Once the white lights start flashing like that, you're going to have the ability to connect them to your phone. You just press connect in here, or they might show up under the Bluetooth, and then just select the Beats Studio from the Bluetooth area in here. So they will show up back here. As you can see, mine are right here. They will show up in there, and then just go ahead and connect to them. Now, if you're having issues connecting to the phone, but the device is showing right here as one of your devices, all you have to do is first delete the device from here. So you will come into here, you enter into the device settings. So you just press on the little info button that shows right here under the Bluetooth, and then you go all the way down and you disconnect your device. You disconnect it and then you forget it from your phone, and then you go ahead and start the pairing process from scratch. But there you guys have it, how to connect your Studio Pro base headphones into your iPhone or your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.